Okay, the thing we are discussing, that means each component, only one component we can accommodate. Now in this example, we are taking the button. So if we are taking the button, then our first step will be what? I have not, you didn't think that I mentioned not all the codes here. First thing, what you have to, in step one, what you have to do, you have to create the frame object. So frame object you will create. Then after creating the frame object, you should have create the component, the components which you want to use, that components object you should have to create. Now you have to say that when first write the, you will write this statement, that frame class object, then set layout, then whatever layout you will choose. Let's say you are choosing new grid layout, so object of the new grid layout class object, and as a parameter the size you should mention. Now seeing this size, you will add the components, you will create the components object of top of that, because based on this, based on the size, you can able to create the size. Based on the size of the how many components will be present there, it will be decided by the size. Okay, so based on that you will create the object. Now here, let's say if you use the 3,4, if you use the 3,4, that means you can able to accommodate 12 object, or the 12 components you can able to accommodate. Here 3,2, that's why it is 6 components you can able to accommodate. So based on the size, the number of component you can accommodate, it will be decided. So first mentioned it, then go to the top and create the components, then go to the top and create the number of components there. So like this the components will be created, and that components will be added one by one, like add method. Using the add method, that component should be added. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is what, this is the concept of the layout. And basically this layout is our graphical programming. For graphics programming we use the layout, and our, this is used for our arrangement of the components, that how the components will look like. This is decided by here, this decided by here, that the components will look like this. It is decided by this our layout manager class. Now the next topic we will start in Java, it is very important, that is the concept of the string. This is very much important. Now each and everywhere programming language you have seen that string is basically what? String is basically the sequence of character values. That means, let's say the characters, the sequence of characters, we call that as the string. But in Java, it is same thing, but it is an object. String is basically the object that represent the sequence of character values. Same thing, it is also the sequence of characters. It represents the sequence of characters, but it is an object. String is basically an object, but in other, whether in C you have seen string is a data type, but here in Java, string is basically an object that represents the sequence of character values. Now, to create the string in Java, to create the string in Java, we have to use the package java.lang.string. Class is used, means java.lang package. This java.lang package, and inside this java.lang package, a class that is predefined, already predefined in Java, string class. The string class is present. So this string class is what? This, to create that string in Java, we use the java.lang.string package total. Now, strings in Java are immutable. These things you should keep in mind, that strings in Java are immutable. Now, what is the meaning of the immutable? Immutable means once a string is created, we couldn't change the values of that string. That means the value, if we give a value, that value we cannot change. That is called the immutable. And string in the Java, strings that is in Java are immutable. Means once a string is created, we couldn't change the values. Yes, then you can say, what is the use of that? This is what we used previously, and this problem arises, and for that, solving that problem, we use the string buffer class. That is another class in Java. It is given, that is the mutable. That means that value can be changed. The value we can able to change there. So that's why the string buffer class came. But this is used previously, the string class. And to solve that problem, that string buffer class came, because the string is, that problem arises that in Java are immutable, means the value will not be changed. One time the value is used, that value should be present. Same value will be there. Otherwise, this is not possible. So for solving this, string buffer class came, which is mutable. We will see that string buffer class. But first, we will discuss about the string. Now, how to create the string object? The string object we can create how? Now, by using two types, we can create the string object. One is using the string literal, and another one is the using the new keyword. So everyone know that using the new keyword, how we created the object is created basically using the new keyword. We have seen that we write any class object. So first, let's say we have class ABC. So that means we will create class ABC equal to ABCA equal to new ABC. Using new keyword, we create the object. This is the known process. But in string, we can create the object using two type, using the string literal and using the new keyword. So first we will see how we'll create the string literal. So using the string literal, you see, let's say we have declared as an example like this. In this example, string s equal to hello. That means s is a string type variable. S is a string type variable which contains the our value hello. So this is what this is known as string variable s, and it is known as the string literal. Now every time a string literal is created, JVM checks the string constant pool first. And if the string is already exist in the pool, then it reference to the pooled instance returned. If the string doesn't exist, then a new string instance created. Now I will, so this is a statement, but using the example, I will show you that what is this meaning is saying. Now, basically in our JVM does what? Java virtual machine. It checks the string constant pool. Now in our system, in Java is installed, there is a string constant pool present. Like this, a string constant pool will be there. Like this, a string constant pool will be present. Now let's say when we first write string s equal to hello, string s equal to hello. This is what this is automatically used. That means this is preloaded, that a string constant pool is present in our system. In that case, when we write string s equal to hello, let's say, so JVM will do what? JVM will go to the string constant pool first and check if there is any word or any hello name thing stored in the string constant pool or not. This string constant pool, it will check that hello name or the hello like word stored in the string constant pool or not. So in the string constant pool, it is seen first that there is no hello type word is present. So it will do what? It will store the hello in the string constant pool. Then next time, what happens? We write another statement string s1 equal to hello. Let's say we use string s1 equal to hello. So JVM will check, JVM first when will use that or store that value, JVM again will check that. Now when this JVM check, it will got that yes, previously hello is stored in the string constant pool. So it will do what? It will send a particular string memory address and reference to the S1. That means, let's say when we stored string s equal to hello, we have written, then it checks first, JVM check first that hello is stored or not in the string constant pool. So at first time it is seen that hello is not stored in the string constant pool. So what is done? Basically, let's say this is the memory location, let's say 2004. In this 2004 memory location, it is done what? It stores the hello word. Then when we write string s1 equal to hello again, that means this is the another variable. You see s1 is the another variable. So it will do what? It will again check the string constant pool. Now in the string constant pool, it found that hello word is already stored and it is on the memory location 2004. It is stored in the memory location 2004. So it will do what? This 2004 memory location, it will send to the S1. Now you see S first stored it into the 2004 memory location. Same memory location, it is sending to the S1 also. That means both this S and S1 are pointed to the single memory location. That means both of them are pointing this 2004 location in which the hello word is stored in the string constant pool. That is the reason for the string are immutable in Java. So you see, this is what? That is when we check that the same, if we find the same word and at that particular memory location, then it will do what? It will send the same memory location to the other variable also. So that means this is the two variables, but they are containing the same word. That's why it is they are pointing to the same memory location. So this is that's why we say that is the reason the strings are immutable in Java. The another way is also there. We will see that why the string objects are immutable. This is the string literal case. This is the string literal case. So that's why we have said that every time a string literal is created, JVM checks the string constant pool first. And if that string is already exist in the pool, a reference to the pool instance returned. And if the string doesn't exist, then the new string instance will be created. So this is the case. This is the case for the string literals. Okay. Clear? It is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what? Now this has an advantage. You see, this has an advantage. What is the advantage? Memory efficiency. You see, now if these two variables are there and the same memory location is not given, that means if like this concept string constant pool concept is not like that, then the hello word will be stored in another memory location. You see, same memory, another memory location also in the same word is storing. So that means what? Memory is badly used. because same word we are storing. This string constant pool concept is there. So for this reason, the memory memory is efficiently used. But if such concept is not present, then string s1 equal to hello, if we write, then again the hello will be stored, and that will be stored into, let's say, another memory location, 2006. Let's say in this memory location, the hello word is stored again. So that means what? Same word that is present in different memory location. This is the wastage of memory, na? So that's why this is the advantage of it, that the memories are efficiently used. So this is the concept of the string literal. Now we will see the concept of the new keyword. New keyword concept we already know, that whenever new keyword create the object, new keyword is basically used to create the object, like string s1 equal to new string. Let's say string s1 equal to new string, and as a parameter we send hello. So using new keyword, that means when we'll write that string s1 equal to new string, that means s1 object will be created, and here in this hello as a parameter which you have sending, this will be stored into the string s1. That means this object, it will contain the hello. So using the new keyword, memory is stored like a heap, and whenever we use the new keyword, now whenever we use the new keyword, new memory reference will be created. A new memory reference will be created. So this is the process of the new keyword. Now, why string objects are immutable? We will see that. Now, once a string object is created, its data or state cannot be changed. That means we cannot change the data or state of it. But a new string object will be created. So let's see through an example, we will understand it, that why this is immutable. You see, let's say in this example, we have used class. Let's say this is the example we are using. In this class, there is the class name test string. This is the name of the class we have, test string. And inside of it, the public static void main string args, the thing we have. And inside of it, we have used string s equal to, let's say, EEC. We have mentioned string s equal to EEC. That means this string variable s will contain the value EEC. Now from here you will see what is happening. This is the string literal concept. This is the string literal concept which we have already seen. So that means there will be there will be a string constant pool present like this. There will be the string constant pool, and in this string constant pool, first it will be checked that if EEC is present or not. Yes, the EEC is not present. So that means what? In the string constant pool, the EEC word will be now created, and it will send a memory reference. It will send a memory reference to the S. It will send a memory reference to the S. Then after that, we are doing what? S dot concat. Now this is what S is, the our string S. So that means using S, we are concat, means concatenation. Now that means what? EEC will be concatenated with classes. This classes EEC, the value S has EEC. So EEC dot concat classes. So that means it will form EEC classes. So EEC classes, it will form, but it is what? It is a different object, or the different word, because it is what? EEC classes. That means same process which will happen for here also. In the string constant pool, it will check and it will find that a word is stored name EEC, but it is not matching now, because it is what? It is created EEC classes now. It is the thing we are searching, it is EEC classes. So that means a new thing will be created here like this, and a new memory reference will be given, because they are different. They are different words. So if they are different words, that means what? The different memory location will be there. The different memory reference will be there. So EC has a memory reference. EC classes has another memory reference. So two are different. Then when we perform system.out.println and we want to print the S, then we only, it will show EC. But what it has to be shown? Because already we have concatenated. After performing concatenation, it will able to show EC classes, but it is showing what? It is showing only EC. When we print, it is only showing EC. Now, why this is showing that? Now, string S is what? String S is pointing to the EC. String S is pointing to the EC. Because after the modification, because when we perform this operation of the concatenation, it is becoming EC classes. It becomes EC classes. So that means a new object and a new memory reference, it is created. This is not pointed by the S now, because EC classes and EC are not same. They are different. So that's why a new memory location is created. And this memory location is what? A new memory location is created, and this is not pointed by the S, because S is pointing EC. If it is EC, then it will point the same memory location. Two variables will point the same memory location, but they are different. So that's why what happened? For EC classes, a new memory reference is created. And so that's why when we print the S, we are only able to see the EC. We are not able to see EC classes here, because if it is because of that, because when after modification, a new object is created. So that's why we are seeing different, we are seeing not the difference. We are seeing only EC for that. But if you want to see the EC classes, then a simple modification you have to do. That is, you have to use S equal to S.concat. In that case, we are explicitly mentioning that S will store the EC classes. So after that, if we print the system.out.println, we do S, println S, then it will do what? It will print the EC classes. This simple modification you have to do for that. But if you didn't mention it and only use S.concat, then the new memory reference will be created, and that is why a new memory reference, and it will show the different value. The value, it will be not updated. But here if we mention S equal to, that means we are explicitly mentioning that S will contain the EC classes. In that case, if we print, then it will show the EC classes. Otherwise, it will not show. So that's why we called it as the strings are immutable. Okay. It is clear? समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is why the string object we call it as the immutable. Now string comparisons are there. We have string comparisons. So what is the string comparisons? The string comparisons are we have equals method, equal to operator, and compare to method. Now equals method is what? Equals method compares the original content of the string. This equal method do what? This equal method compares the original content of the string. The string that what this string contains, that original content comparison is done here, and compares values of the string for equality. Whether equal to operator do what? It compares not the content of the string, it compares the memory reference or the references, but not the values. Memory references it compares equal to operator. And compared to method, what this compared to method do? This compare values lexicographically and return the integer values that describe, means if the first string is less than equal to or greater than the second string, this will be done. This will be done by the compare to method. That means between the two string, comparison is done by the compare to method. Now let's see in the example of the equals method. In this equals method, you see, in this equals method, we have used like string s equal s1 equal to ec. Then another string we have used string s2 equal to eec. Then this is what? This is string literals, because like this we create the string literals, and this is we create the string literals. And the next string s3 equal to new string and as the parameter ec. It is what? This is the using the new keyword. Using the new keyword, we create the string object. So we can able to create string object using two types, using string literals and using new keyword. So here it will be what? This is string s3 equal to new string and as a parameter ec. This means what? This is created using the new keyword. And the next another string s4 equal to classes we have created. This is what? This is we have created using the string literal again. Then after that we are doing what? s1 dot equals s2. Now we are checking. Now equals method do what? Equals method check whether the original content of the string, it checks the original content of the string. Now s1 also contain ec, s2 also contain ec, so that's why the value will be shown as true. Then s1 equals s3. Now s1 also contain ec, s3 also contain ec, so that's why it will show true. Then s1 equals s4. Yes, s1 equals s4, it will be shown false because s1 contains ec, whether s4 contains classes. So it is doing what? It is comparing the original content, the content which is stored. That means the object. In the object, what value is stored? It is comparing that value. So that's why based on that, it is saying that true false. So s1 dot equals s4, s1 contains EEC, whether s4 contains classes. So that's why it is said false. But when we will see that equal to method, when we will see the equal to method, in this case you see s1 equal to s2. Yes, the same thing, the same program we are writing, this same code, over this same code we are doing, this over this same code we are doing. Now here s1 equal to s2. Yes, s1 equal to s2, it will show true. But because s1 and s2 both will be point to the EC. String literal the string pool concept, because S1 will do what? There thus in the string constant pool, it will store EC first, because at first there is nothing EC mentioned. EC type string is not mentioned. So in the string constant pool, the S1 will store the EC. Then the next time S2 equal to EC. So reference will send to the S2 also. So S1 and S2 both will be point to the EC. Both will point to the memory location in which the EC value is stored. So that's why they are equal. So S1 equal to S2. It will be the true. But S1 equal to S3. It will be not equal. Why? It is both are storing, you can say EEC and EEC both have, and they will point to the same memory location, but it is not that case, because this is what this S1, this is the process we stored using string literals, and this process is used to store new keyword. So the reference is what? The references are different. This is stored using string literals, but this is stored using the our new keyword. So that's why S1 equal to S3, it will shown false here. Okay. And compared to method does what? It checks the first string with the next. The first string is less than or equal to or greater than the second string or not. So let's say S1, if we compare this two, then S1 equal to S2, it will be what? Because both will contain the EC and EC, both are equal. So that's why 0 will be given. If S1 is greater than S2, then the positive value will be shown. And if the first string is less than the second string, then the some negative value will be shown. So this is what the string concept that is used in the Java. Okay.
हेलो सर।
बोलो।
सर जो ये स्ट्रिंग S3 है, हम लोग ये नहीं कह सकते कि वो एक नॉन प्रिमिटिव वे है क्रिएट करने के लिए स्ट्रिंग को?
ना S3 देखो, तुम S3 जो बोले, क्वेश्चन एक बार बोलो।
सर वो नॉन प्रिमिटिव वे है क्रिएट करने के लिए स्ट्रिंग को?
हाँ, कर सकते हो। हम तो ये डिफरेंस दिखाने के लिए हम क्रिएट किए। तुम नॉन प्रिमिटिव वे में या तुम उसमें भी स्ट्रिंग लिटरल से क्रिएट कर सकते हो, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हम दिखाने के लिए कि डिफरेंस दिखाने के लिए हम इसको जो क्या डिफरेंस है ये समझाने के लिए कि एक हम स्ट्रिंग लिटरल से किए, एक हम यूज किए न्यू कीवर्ड से क्रिएट किए। उसका डिफरेंस क्या होता है? अब देखो, जब हम इक्वल्स मेथड किए तब मेरा कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, क्योंकि इक्वल्स मेथड मेरा कंटेंट चेक करता है, उसका ओरिजिनल कंटेंट क्या है। अब दोनों का ही अंदर ईसी है, तो वो कंटेंट में क्या होगा? ट्रू शो कर देगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। बट इक्वल टू ऑपरेटर में क्या होगा? वो चेक करते हैं रेफरेंस को। अब एक जो हम बनाए हैं वो हम स्ट्रिंग लिटरल से बनाए हैं, और दूसरे को हम बनाए हैं न्यू कीवर्ड यूज करके, तो ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं हो सकते। तो हाँ, दोनों इक्वल हो सकते हैं कि दोनों न्यू में बनाए तो दोनों न्यू इक्वल हो सकते हैं, दोनों तुम इसमें स्ट्रिंग लिटरल से बनाए दोनों इक्वल हो सकते हैं, बट दोनों अलग अलग टाइप में इक्वल नहीं हो सकते। कंटेंट उसके अंदर जो भी हो, कंटेंट अगर इक्वल भी हो। ठीक है।
यस सर।
So today I will not able to start the string buffer class, and this process, for removing this process, the string problem, we have already discussed that immutable concept which is present in the string. To overcome that, we use the string buffer class. We have also a class named string tokenizer. We'll discuss one by one. These classes are present in the string. string tokenizer, string buffer class. But overcoming this problem of this immutable problem, we use the string buffer class. And this string buffer class is what? This is mutable. And here we use the modifiable string. And there are some important method. Basically, many methods are present there, but the most users method I will say, because that most users method you will require, all the method you have didn't require so much method. Only the most used method I will discuss. There are many methods present, but you will not require that. Only 5 methods is maximally used. So we will discuss that in the next class, in the next class on I think tomorrow. So in tomorrow we will discuss about that. Okay, so thank you everyone. I am ending the session.
Thank you, sir.